Hello, good morning, and welcome to Primus Learning. I am Clovis Kongi, and today I'll be taking you on how to enroll on the Primus Learning platform. So, to get started, what you want to do, you open a tab, you type primuslearning.io. Primuslearning.io is going to open our platform, our website. Here we go. Now, once you have this open, you don't have an account yet on this platform, right? So for you to be able to enroll for a course, you need to have an account on the platform. So you want to create your account on the platform before you do your enrollment. So you come to accelerate your technical journey and you just fill in your information, right? So here, I want to fill in my name. For example, I'll do Clovis, last name, Kanye, now email address. Okay, you're seeing this because I already have an email address. You just need to put in your email address and a passport. Let me just change this to Clovis. Okay, and say gmail.com. So please, when you're putting in your country, your number, you need to ensure that your country code is been entered 237 for Cameroon. Yeah, let me just put in the number. A country, I'm looking at Cameroon. Address, we'll say Doma in Buea. So, and once you put all of this, your passport should contain a character like uppercase character, a number, and a special number, a special character, right? Like you have a number, a special character, and an uppercase letter, right? So once you enter all of these, you just need to click on sign up. To do sign up, you're good to go. Right now, once you do sign up, you're good to go. You realize it's going to bring you to the login page, right? Where you just need to enter your email address and your password and you'll sign in. So we'll go into the next video, the next series where you see how to enroll for a course. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome to the second segment of our video. Now you've created your account on the platform and you want to enroll, you want to log in. You just come to login and you enter your email and the password you just created, right? For example, I'm going to enter my email and password here. So Luis, okay. And I have to just sign in. So once I have this dashboard, I'll go to dashboard. Since I already have an account that is created, I go to dashboard. I want to come to bootcamps. If I come to bootcamps, I'm looking for the cybersecurity October 2024, which is this session. So please always ensure to allow your location, right? Because it's going to give you your price description. So I take enroll now. As I go to enroll now, you see, okay, now check pay pending, right? Now, you see that I want to do a full payment or I want to do an instrumental payment, which is 100,000. Now, if you have challenges and you want to book a session, right, with any of the team members for guidance, you can always book a session. Just click on book now and you book a session. Now for somebody who wants to pay instrumentally, we'll just follow the procedure. I click here. Now I need to do an orange money deposit. So the amount is already indicated. I click on that. I enter my number. Always ensure to put the country number, right? The country code. So if I put my country code 237, I put my orange money number. Now I just follow this procedure and I validate, and that will be good for payment. Once payment is done, it's going to open the dashboard for you. I'll make another video where I will show you on how to go through the platform after your enrollment has been approved. Thank you. Once more, welcome to our session. In this session, I will be showing you how to go to class on the platform, how to add an instrumental payment. If you want to do your second installment, how do you go about that? And how to visit your recordings, right? The area where your recordings will be stored after each session of class. So once you come to this, you've logged in already, you come to your dashboard here. If you click here on dashboard, go to dashboard. Now, you see, if you want to add a payment, right, like a second instrumental payment, you just come to add payment. You select here. If you have done the first installment, see the second installment, you just need to select and you fill the procedure, just same like you did for the first installment. If you are to go to class, right, when your session starts, you click here on go to class. It's going to take you to Zoom, right, to the class itself, just directly going to take you to class. And if you click on go to lectures, for example, I click on go to lectures, you're seeing this interface now because we don't have recordings yet, right? Since the live recordings that are supposed to be posted on the platform. So once you come here, you'll see the recordings and the notes for each session. So you can always go through that if you get to miss a session or miss a class. So if you have any questions or any worries, please don't hesitate to book an appointment from the website, right, on how to go about this process. Thank you once more and welcome to Primus Learning.